In this video, you will learn about email campaigns. We are in our gateway and I'm ready to get started. I'm going to simply click on my Send Postcards, Greeting Cards, Flyers, etc. button here. I'm going to go over here to my menu on the left and select Start an Email Campaign. You can now choose from previously created campaigns, maybe one that has been deployed, select here, or maybe one that's pending. You can also start with an Add a New Campaign. So click here to add a new campaign. What you want to do here is add an email campaign name, as well as a short description of what that email entails. And then you'll want to come over here and choose whether you want to manually send this email or schedule it for a later date. If you selected an email that was from your existing campaigns, this step would be skipped and you will be taken to the Collateral Select screen. Click on Next and you will be taken to the screen to select or create the email design. All of your collateral will be stored in folders, much like you see here with our pre-designed templates. You can create new designs by selecting and modifying templates we provide, or you can start with a blank layout up here. For this demo, I'm going to go ahead and select from our newsletter folder, and then I'm going to select Retail Newsletter 1. I am now entering my easy-to-use email editor. Here I'm able to edit my content by adding images, changing the text, changing the cell colors, and a separate video is provided for you to learn how to use the email editor. Once you are finished with the changes to this email, go ahead and save that email, and then you'll be able to click on Next. The next step in my email campaign is to select my list of recipients for my email. If I already have my list loaded into the system via the Contact Management screen, I can simply come over here to my drop-down menu and select my list. After I select my list, I can verify my contacts count, as well as their information here to make sure that I've chosen the right list to mail to. If I have not uploaded any of my contacts, I'm able to go over here and click on Upload a New List. After I am done defining my target, I can simply click on Next to launch my marketing campaign. I am now ready to launch my campaign. I can launch the same campaign multiple times, and to be able to differentiate between the launches, I have the option to give each launch a name, and I can do that here. Now to review and confirm that the campaign cost information is correct, I can look here, and I can click on my cost breakdown button here. You can also see the number of invalid emails here, as well as how many people have unsubscribed from your email list. Now, invalid emails are those where the email address does not conform to the email formatting rules. So maybe there's an extra space or a special character in the address. If we go over to section 2, it contains the email sender information. And if I click on this help button here, it has a PDF document that explains in more detail the sender info and how it affects deliverability. Now, I'm going to come down here and click on my checkbox, verifying that the campaign is ready to be deployed. Once I select that, my Deploy Campaign button will be activated. And I click on that. Depending on the type of account that I have or the credit balance that I have, I may be required to pay by credit card before the campaign can be launched. The credit card processing is done using PayPal and is secure. For your safety, we do not save any of your credit card information in the system. All of your email campaigns are sent immediately. You will receive a confirmation email with the counts of emails sent. Later, please view videos and documents on the value of email campaign and how it can be more effective for you.